السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته جميعا طلاب في حل نماذج الرياضيات لاختبار قدرات جامعة الكويت. We will continue with question 14. So the question: price in a cell were reduced by 35%. What was the price of the washing machine before? So before, that's mean the old price. The sale, if it's the price is 92.95. So there is a formula you have to memorize it. It's called new equal old multiply all the time 100, it's constant, plus negative the percentage they write in the question, 35%. So is that reduce or increase or decrease? It's increase. Okay, I mean it's reduced, the same of decrease. So I have plus or negative, it's okay, it's minus, okay, because it's reduced. So the new one, we have this one, as you see, the new price, it's 92.95. 92.95. The old price, we don't know, we have to calculate it. X 100% minus 35%, it's 65%. What does that mean, 65%? It is, we can write it 65 over 100. Okay, so 65 over 100, it is 0.65. I need 0, we don't know, no, we have to divide both sides by 0.56. 0.56. This cancel with this. X equal 92.95 divided by 0.65. So the answer is 143. Okay, it's easy, just to have to memorize the formula. The new price equal the old. We all time write this 100%. Minus plus, it's depend on the question. If it's increase, plus, decrease, or reduce, minus. Okay, we will see another question like this one. When water freezes into ice, its volume increased by 6%. Okay, percent. What is the volume of water obtained when 768.5 cc? It's cc. It's a unit of volume. Okay, of ice melts. What does that mean? That mean we have water. Okay, it's will become ice. Okay, so we will see that the volume of ice equal volume of water. Okay, that's mean the new, when it's water, just okay, just I will write it down again. Student, we have water. Okay, become what? Ice, right? Become ice. That's mean this is the new, this is the old. Okay, so what we have, the new equal old times all the time 100. What's happened to that increase? Increase, that's mean plus. How much? 6%. So this one, the new, it is the ice, because water it's become ice, freezes. It is volume of ice. The old, it's water. Okay, V for of water. What is the answer? 106%. That's mean 1.06. Okay, I need the volume of water. Okay, so divide both sides by 1.06. 1.06. So the volume of water equal this, cancel with this. So volume of ice, we have it 768.5 over 1.06. So the volume of water, okay, equals 725 cc. As I told you, it's unit of volume. I hope you understand that. Don't forget, new equal old times 100% plus negative the percentage they will give you in the question. This is what's happened to water, ice. It is the water before it will freezes, and this is the percentage. Next one, the side of a cube A, it's 2 centimeters longer than side of B. So if the surface area, do you remember the formula of surface area of a cube? Surface area of a cube equal 6 times the side square. It's formula, you have to memorize it. So first time I have to calculate the side of the cube A. We have the surface area, it's 54. So I need the side alone, divide both sides by 6, this cancel with this. A squared equal 54 over 6, it's 9. I need A, not A squared. Root both sides, this cancel with this, A equal 3. We don't have to write plus negative because we are dealing with a long. It's absolutely a positive number, okay? So, this one, for cube A, as you see this, A, it's 2 centimeters longer. If the side of A 3, so the side of B, it's less than by 2. 3 minus 2, because it's less than cube A. So the side of cube B, it's 1. Did you understand that? As I told you, A, it is 3, right? Cube A longer by 2 of B. If A 3, so B 1. Okay, because it's A longer 2 centimeters. So they need the volume of B. We have the side of B. So volume of B equal the side cube. It's formula. So the volume of B equal 1 cube. It's 1. So the answer is A. If you have anything in the problem, you will use it. Okay, for example, we have surface area, right, of A. I will calculate the side of A. From this one, I will calculate the side of B and just find out the volume. It's B cube. Okay. Next one. The water in a hotel tank can last for 8 days if the hotel is full with guests. That's mean if 100% of guests they are in the hotel, the water it will be still for 8 days. What happened if just there is 40% of that people of the guests? That means the number of guests decrease for 40%. How many days I will take to use the whole water? I will give you something, okay? If the number of guests decrease, that means there is a lot of people will drink water, so it will stay for a long time. Because I will give you in a really easy example. If you have 10 people, okay, they are drinking, the water will maybe stay for 8 days. If the people instead of 10 they will be 3, so it's absolutely the water will stay for example 30 days, because just 3 people they are drinking, so the time it will become longer. So that's inverse, not a proportion. Okay, so what are we going in? We have inverse. Just switch. If you have inverse relationship, just switch. It will become in the up 40 and down 100. So I will calculate x. Write this 4 over 100. طبعا هون this one percentage equal 8 over x. This over this over this. So this with this cancelled. I need the value of x. X equal this times this over this. 100 times 8 over 40. So x equal this cancel with this. 10 times 8, 80 over 4, 20 days. So because the number of people guests in the hotel reduced to 40%, that means the water will stay, instead of 8, it will be 20 days before it will end. Okay, I hope you understand that very well. Question 18. Let fx equal 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 and gx equal 1 over fx. This is a little bit long question, so I have to make that right in small. Just a minute. Okay. fx equals 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. gx equal 1 over fx. What does that mean over fx? So I have to remove this and write this. Okay? 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. Okay? First thing, I have to prepare gx before I will see what they need. Okay? This one doesn't have in the down, so it's 1. So I have to prepare gx before gx equal 1. This times this, it's x plus 1 times 1, the same, over minus this times this, 1 times 1, 1, and this times this, 1 times x plus 1, x plus 1. It's a really easy way, okay, to calculate. 1 in the up doesn't have below, it's 1. So gx equal this times this, x plus 1 times 1, the same, and this times this. So this with this cancelled, x times 1, x. Okay, this one, it's really easy way to write. For example, 3 over 5 over x over y. That's mean this times this, 3 times y, 3y. This times this, 5x. It's really easy way to calculate. So gx, and I will write fx again in the question. fx, it's 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. So what does that do they need in the question? They need f o g x. What does that mean in the first? That mean I will write the fx. What is fx? This one, right? 1 plus 1 over x plus 1. And replace any x by gx. This x, I will remove it and write this in instead of x. So don't think it's really hard. You have in up gx and fx. If they need fog, you write fog. That means this is fx, just remove x or replace it by gx. Okay, that's mean I will write instead of x this one, x plus 1 over x. So this doesn't have down, it's 1. As usual, it will become 1 plus 1 over 1 times x plus 1, it's x plus 1. X times 1, it is x. X times x, 1, it's x. Doesn't have, it's 1. So 1 plus 1 over 1. X plus x, 2x plus 1 over x. So, as usual, 1 plus this times this, x. This times this, 2x plus 1. We will continue. This doesn't have below, it's 1. As usual. This times this, it's the same, 2x plus 1 times 1, the same. Plus this times this, x. This times this, the same, 2x plus 1. So 2x plus x, it's 3x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. I made, just a minute. I think there is something wrong. Oh, okay. Sorry. It's minus. I write it just, it's minus, I will rewrite this again. This times this, it's 2x plus 1. This times this minus x, okay? This times this 2x plus 1. That means 2x minus x, it's x plus 1 over 2x plus 1. So x plus 1. I will explain these steps to you. I think it's really new for you, okay? For example, if I have 5 over 3 plus 2 over 4, what I'm gonna do, it's in an easy way. Just 4 times 5, 20. 3 times 2, it's 6. 3 times 4, it's 12. This is equal 26 over 12. Okay? Next, question 19. A shopkeeper bought 50 kilogram of apple for 250 fils per kilo. He then discovered that 10 kilogram of them are damaged and can't be sold. What is the selling price of the rest of apple if the shopkeeper wants to title profit 2.5? That's mean. What is the amount of that money he bought that 50 kilogram of apple? So 50 kilogram of apple in 250 fils. What does that mean? How much the cost? So 5 kilograms times 250. So it is 12,500 fils. So he bought the 50 kilograms of apple by this fils, okay? In dinar, it will become 12.5, right? Just divide by 1,000. It will become 12.5 dinar, right? So he bought the 50 kilogram of apple in this dinar, okay? And he need to get what? Profit 2.5 dinar. What does that mean? That mean he has to sold that apples 15 dinar, okay? Because if he sold that apple in 15 dinar, he will get 2.5 what dinar profit, okay? I hope you understand what is going on, okay? Because he buy the apple this way, he need to what? To get 2.5 in profits. That's mean he has to sold the apples 15 dinar to get what he need, okay? Because 15 or not this, because he bought the apple 12.5, the profit 2.5. That's mean he has to sold the apple by 15 dinar to get the profit, okay? So how many kilogram does he have? He have 40 kilograms. So 15 dinar, that's mean 50,000 fils, right? Over 40 kilograms, we will see how many fils for each kilogram he has to sell to get this profit. That's mean equal 300. I will calculate it. 378 fils. So the last 40 kilograms he has to sell this one 378 for each kilogram to get 2.5 dinar as a profit, okay? I hope you understand that. I will review that in a really easy way. He bought 50 kilograms in 250 fils for each one. So 50 times 250, that's mean he bought the 50 kilograms in 12,500 fils. if I want to convert fils to dinar, I have to divide it by 1000. So it will become 12.5 dinar. So he wants to profit 2.5 dinar. That's mean 2.5 plus 12.5 plus 2.5 equal 15 dinar. So he has to sold the last 40 kilograms by 50 dinar to get this profit. Okay, that's mean 50 dinar, it's the same 5,000 fils, divide 40 kilograms, because he has just 40, not 50. That's mean 375 fils for each kilogram. Okay, I hope you understand that very well. If that's really hard to you, you can write this. $40 kilograms has to sold it in 15,000. So 1 kilogram x. So x, this over this. Okay? I hope you understand this. The last question, X workers work to finish a job in Y day. How many workers need to finish in 3Y? Well, this is the date, okay? If the day increase, so you have less worker, right? I will give you an example. If you have a project and you have 20 worker, they will finish in 10 days. If just came to you 15 worker, they will finish in longer time, right? So if the time increase 3, the worker decrease 3, because it's an inverse relationship between the number of worker and the time of finish that project. I hope you understand that one. Okay, so this one is the answer. Okay, I hope you understand what I explained in this one. Good luck with you.